आनंदाश्रम स्वामींचा जयकार जय जयकार.
आनंदाश्रम स्वामींचा जयकार जय जयकार.
परिज्ञानाश्रम स्वामींचा जयकार जय जयकार.
परिज्ञानाश्रम स्वामींचा जयकार जय जयकार.
सद्योजात शंकराश्रम स्वामींचा जयकार.
सद्योजात शंकराश्रम स्वामींचा जयकार.
जय शंकर. आता मी सभा प्रारंभ प्रार्थना म्हणूया. ओम दक्षिणास्य समारंभा शंकराचार्य मध्यमा अस्मदाचार्य पर्यंता स्मर्याद गुरुपरंपरा. श्रुतिस्मृति पुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शंकरलोकशंकरं. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतं वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. परिज्ञानाश्रम श्रीगुरुशंकर परिज्ञानाश्रम शंकर सद्गुरु केशव वामन कृष्ण पांडुरंग आनंद परिज्ञान गुरु. सद्योजात शंकर सद्गुरु. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः. गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Pranam Swamiji. We started the Shivir on a high with Sanjay Mam's session, followed by Devi Anushtan, beach visits, at the backdrop of the setting sun of 2025. All of us felt the positive vibes and the Guru Shakti at each of the mats we visited. The cherry on top of the cake, or rather the cracker on top of the cheese, was the very memorable start to the new year with Param Pujya Swamiji. Now let us hear from our fellow Shivirarthis about their experience during the Karseva Shibir. आम्ही ह्या अभिव्यक्ती प्रस्तुत करताती. I would request Astha Bellare to come and present her अभिव्यक्ती.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Jai Shankar Sarvankai. I'm taking part in Karaseva Shibir for the second time. I learned and experienced new things such as self-defense, making of Rudraksha Mala and making of flower garland. We were lucky to see the sunrise on the first day of New Year at the lotus feet of Param Pujya Swamiji. Nature over here is pollution-free mountain, farm full of greenery. In this Shibir, I came to know the names of our mud, Guru Mud in Malapur and Bandikeri Mud in Gokarn. I learnt a lot during the quiz on Guru Parampara where the clues were in the poetic form. I was very happy when our group named Subramanya won the first place. I will ensure to join the Shibir going forward with the blessings of Guru and Guru Parampara. Dhanyavad.
I would now request Tanmay Kumble to come and present his opinion.
Jai Shankar Swamiji. Magal now Tanmay Kumble. My experience in KSS 2025 was very fun and exciting. This was my first Shivir. Though I missed 2 sessions taken by Sanjay Shetty Ma'am, I attended the practice session where Manonmay and Tarun helped me to learn self-defense moves like wrist holds and chokes. I like the sessions of Karaseva in Cambrai like hay stacking, firewood collection and de-weeding. I also met new people and became friends with them. I am looking forward to attend future Shivirs. So, thank you.
I would now request Nakshatra Saraswat to come and present his Abhivyakti.
Jai Shankar Swami ji. My name is Nakshatra Saraswat. So this is my second time in Sirali and first time at KSS, and I'm feeling great to be here. We had different sessions here with Sanjay Sethi ma'am where I learned about new self-defense techniques that are very helpful for me. After that, we went to Gokarn Bhandi Kerimat and Mallapur Gurumat. There we had sessions related to diaphragmatic breathing related, followed by a treasure hunt. From these activities, I learned about the Guru Parampara and the importance of our culture. Um, there we also some more activities such as Sanskrit Sambhashan, which were very interesting, and our team secured first place in it. And I also performed Devi Anushthan, and after doing that, I felt more energetic and peaceful. I began my new year by watching the sunrise with everyone, which is one of the greatest moments for me. Yesterday, I went to Panchavati, where we practiced Ninad and enjoyed the beauty of the nature. Lastly, I would like to thank all the coordinators for organizing such a nice KSS, and I'm looking forward to more such events. And I still can't believe that today is the last day of the KSS. Truly, Jai Shankar.
I would now request Ayushi Bora to come and present her Abhivyakti.
Jai Shankar. I offer my pranam to the lotus feet of Param Pujya Swami Ji. Uttishtata, back in the August, holds a special place in all of our hearts, and this Shibir was a continuation to it. On the first day of Uttishtata, I remember discussing with my friends of the understanding of our understanding of the word Uttishtata. And we realized we need to arise, but how? That we didn't understand. But after attending Sanjay Ma'am's session, both times that confusion got cleared in the process about what is expected out of us. The session here at KSS felt intense. We need to have a fight response instead of freezing when we face a situation. This encouraged to believe that we can fight, to stand up and never hesitate. We mentally felt empowered. Last time it was more of a physical activity, and this time it was more of an emotional experience for me. Sanjay Ma'am taught us, this is your life. You have to be selfish. You are responsible for your own actions and reactions. No one will save you until you save yourself. And take charge of the situation and don't hesitate. He gave us 8-minute isometric exercise module that will give us the strength we need. So, on the behalf of all of us, we promise to practice this every day so we can fight, we can always be ready for the fight, both physically and mentally. Thank you so much.
Swamiji, yesterday we learned how to make the Rudraksh Mala. I would request Abhinav Kala to present the malas at the lotus feet of Swamiji. I would now request Gopal Bandur to come and present the vote of thanks and the Shamayachni.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha, Om Shri Matriya Namaha. Jai Shankar. On behalf of all the Shivrarthis and Sanchalaks, I'd first and foremost like to offer our heartfelt gratitude at the lotus feet of Param Pujya Srimad Sadyojat Shankarashram Swamiji. स्वामीजी तुमगेले अनुग्रह आणि मार्गदर्शन आमचेरी सदैव आसो म्हणून तुमगेले चरणी प्रार्थना. I would firstly like to thank the Vaidics for all their support in the temple and for allowing us to accompany them during the Ashtavadhan Seva. A special mention, Ved Nagesh Haldipur Bhatmam for the Samohik Prarthana. Thank you to the Seva department for their help with the Sevas. I would like to say a big thank you to Kishore Kumble Mam, General Manager SCM, and Mutt admin team for their wonderful arrangements and support, which made this Shivir extremely enjoyable. Especially Kalpana Kabad Pachi and team for their excellent accommodation arrangements, and to Ganesh Kombrabail Mam and team for arranging buses and other logistics. Similarly, I would also like to thank Tanvi Mallapur and Ugran and kitchen teams for all their support, and especially the delicious meals that helped us keep up our energy throughout the Shivir. I would also like to thank Narayan Kadle Mam and team for AV and tech support, and Ravi Nayak Mam for managing the sound arrangements during our sessions. Many thanks to the Cambrai and Bengre staff, especially Shailesh Chandavar Mam, Pavan Shirali Mam, and Vinay Arur Mam for their support during the Karseva sessions. I'd like to thank Ravi Kiran Bhatt Mam for his heartwarming explanation on the significance of Gokarna Bhandikeri Mutt. I would also like to thank Durgesh Kagal Mam, Vaivadar, Gokarna Bhandikeri Mutt for arranging a hearty breakfast for us. Many thanks to Arun Ubhaikar Mam, Vaivadar, Guru Mutt Mallapur and family, as well as Guru Prasad Shukla Bhatt Mam and family for their generous hospitality and especially the sumptuous lunch we had. I would like to express my gratitude to Gaurish Padukone and team for insightful tour of the Goshala at Cambrai. A big thank you to Mamta Bhatkal Pachi at the Srivali school team and the students for welcoming us and making the visit an enriching experience. Similarly, I'd also like to thank Ravindra Kaikini Mam and team for allowing us to visit the PU College. I would like to thank Rupali Hebdekar Pachi and Vinati Udiyavar Pachi for facilitating our visit at HMPP and Samvit Sudha, as well as Sandhya Chandavar Pachi for her explanation about this inspirational project. Many thanks to Chetana Bellari Pachi for the amazing tour of the Swami Parijnanashram Vastu Sangralaya. I would also like to express immense gratitude to our Pravaktas, especially Sanjay Shetty Mam for his energetic and thought-provoking sessions. Similarly, I would like to thank Sheila Kumble Pachi for her insightful and heartwarming session about Parimochan. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my fellow Shivrarthis as well as the Sanchalaks for a great and memorable Shivir. I couldn't imagine a better end to 2025 and a better start to 2026 than this. ह्या शिबिरांतू ज्या कसले कार्य आम्ही केल्या तें स्वामांगल मार्गदर्शन अनुसार जावो म्हणून आम्ही पूर्ण प्रयत्न केल्या. तरी सुद्दां तांतू कसलेय उणेपण जाल्लेलें असल्यारी हांव स्वामांगल चरणी क्षम मागता. तशीची सगळ्यांगल वतीने संकल्प करता की मुखारी सुद्दां आम्ही अशीची गुरुचरणी सेवा अर्पण करतली. जो भी हमने इस शिविर में सीखा है हम उस पर अमल करेंगे और हमारी सेवा में उत्कर्ष लाने का प्रयास करेंगे. और अब हमने भगवती को इतने प्रेम से जो जगाया ही है, उस शक्ति के अंदर पर हम हमारे जीवन में आत्मबल, मंगलता और रसता लाएंगे। ओम नमः पार्वती पते, हर हर महादेव। Now I request Param Pujya Swamiji to bless us with an Ashirvachan.
आनन्दाश्रमशिष्याग्र्यं स्वानन्दाम्बुधिमज्जितम् आनन्दाश्रमिणं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। नो श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीभवानीशङ्कराय नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। शिबिर अत्यंत यशस्वी जाल्या आणि मुखारी शिबिर अशीची रोमांचक म्हणटा ती जातली। नवे नवे एलिमेंट्स तुम्ही हाडतली। All of you who have taken part in the Shibir, the Shibirarthis, let me tell you, we are very fortunate. A good base has been created by my Sanchalaks with their experience over the last so many years. And it's just a breeze for you. But a lot of activity goes on, the planning, etc. It is a tremendous responsibility. But what I can share with you is my happiness. Initially, the Shibers, they were good. Definitely they were good. But we want to see an improvement in every Shibir, and that is what I am seeing. So it isn't simply the Sanchalaks have smartened up. Certainly they have. It's become second nature to them. What would be a little difficult a situation to handle, now with experience they can handle it much better. Not only that, there is an awakening in the Samaj. Remember, so even the Samaj is aware. So youngsters, parents are motivated. The youngsters, chalo, we'll also join. Parents also feel, yes, Swamiji baar baar batate hain, so we'll send. So it is a beautiful thing that is happening. Plus, as all of you mentioned, and I am very happy with the point Ayushi made, there was a small shibir of sorts. Karaseva shibir to nahi tha wo. August mein yahan pe, wherever I have Chaturmas, Yuvadhara members try to make it for those 3 days, 15th August. Generally, we pray it as a weekend, so they can come either 13th, 14th, 15th or 15th, 16th, 17th. And this time we had Sanjay Shetty. It was the first introduction. It was lab conditions. Only you people were there. So Ayushi mentioned it is a continuation. That is extremely important. You sense that, you understand there's a change happening in you. And more than what food we had last time, this was not so good this time. अपने आप में जो परिवर्तन आया है वो पहचान पाते हो. Can you build on that? Then I am happy. So first introduction jaise tha, it was at a physical level, and now this time it was very different. So all these things make these shivers a spiritual experience. I will insist that you maintain the spiritual orientation. When abhivyakti ke samay to kuch batana padta hai. We like this, yes, they are separate. That gives us some idea. What is it that you like? And if I get to know what is it that you don't like, next shibir mein I'll definitely have it, because I know jara mehnat karni padegi and you start learning to like also. You don't want to make it very comfortable. But first इसी को लेकर whatever, when suddenly accosted, क्या होता है करके, at least flight to ho, don't freeze. That's the first thing. So if you are maintaining your breathing and all, even without this experimentation, you won't freeze. Kuch to kar paoge. And then instead of fleeing, you fight. So fight is a very aggressive word, and he had to goad you into that aggression. Sahi baat na? तमोगुण से यदि किसी को उठाना है तो पहले वो एग्रेसिव ही होगा, फिर जाके सात्विकता आती है. So the Rajasikta is an intermediate state. At one level, yes, it is required. काम करते समय राजसिकता आती ही है, पर अपने आप को संभालना रहता है. और वो लक्ष्य जो है, अभी बताया था, एक स्पिरिचुअल लक्ष्य है, उसको उससे दृष्टि न हटे, इसके लिए सात्विकता को भी लाना रहेगा, पड़ेगा. इट्स मैंडेटरी. सो इट्स अ बैलेंस. At least I won't sink into depression or complaining or going into, most people tend to do that, even intelligent people, self-pity. That is the stupidest, worst thing. सब बढ़िया चल रहा है. So when you stop that self-pity and you expect others also to sympathize with you, when that tendency fades off, there is possibility that you will do something intelligent in life. नहीं तो even things like decisions कैसे लेने आते हैं ना. So when there is self-pity, you finally know what you should do, you know very well what you should not do. But you want something to happen, and if that doesn't happen, you think you are still taking decisions, you'll ask for help and get everybody to say finally, yes, what you want is correct, and you take it. Do you understand this? A very subtle way I had missed out. One of the reasons why we find taking decisions very difficult. Forget the confusion, how long you can get inputs. You grew up, you will be better able to take decisions. But this thing, even for a serious sadhaka, उस एक self-pity में you can confound everything, and even when confronted with the answer, you can still, veer around it and hope for a better solution when there is no solution. That is the solution. So that can be a great deterrent in not being able to take correct decisions. So these shivers have to blast you out of that. That petty self से हमें उभर आना है, आगे बढ़ना है. I won't let you sacrifice that, because that is all you have right now, your petty self. But इतना थंग गणमणता थी, लालन पालन हम नहीं करेंगे, you'll have to wake up, because the world can be very cruel. So this is a lab condition where structured or very padded walls you can experiment, but you better smarten up fast. That is all I say, those who attend the shibers. So bal aayega, you will be taking it the responsibility as sanchalaks, and then you will realize what it means when people complain and you can't even answer, because you have to do what you have to do. So this strengthening comes, वो experience यहाँ पे आएगा if you are consistent. At least 3-4 shivers you attend, keep these elements in mind. Am I developing this? My self-estimation इत्यादि जो है, at your age you are still discovering yourself. But discover the immense strength that you have, the potential that you have, and the Guru Shakti which is awakening that, asking you to, doesn't want you to be sissies. So इतना एक orientation आए इन शिविरों में तो हमें अच्छा लगता है. Then there are certain demands. I am glad that was immediately, so to say, fulfilled. Rudrakshi Mala Hankocha. It's a beautiful skill set, and if you learn it, I would be very happy. So कल there are 10 beads this time. कितने दिए थे? 28 के दिए. Very nice. So if they are all intact, we can standardize this. You can use the small mala for your anushtans and big mala for your 28 ka 108. Very good. And all of them look pretty well done. No slack in between. First attempt itself, single knot mein you got that. I am very impressed. It takes quite some time. Good. And Nikash, you heated that string ki Fevicol or something. Fevicol, that's best. Then let it dry for some time. Then it's more manageable. Otherwise you keep touching it, your sweat and all, it keeps it wet and it doesn't dry at all. So you learn all these skill sets. Good. And on the other hand, Kar Seva bhi hui. Good, na? Lot of work there, really. Logs and firewood and all you stacked, which was lying all over the place. Good. Real seva. I'm very happy. खुशीन कर का अशीची आणि आपणेची विमर्श कर का अपना कल मेळ्ळें एक एक्सपिरियन्स आसता. अनुभव इज द फर्स्ट थिंग, memories, good memories, but something much more is happening. You are coming out strong. and see that you strengthen that in the next Shibir. See that others also recognize that. That is the sharing. That is the most important thing. You have to share. What you have learned, you have to give. You can't keep it me only. So that एक निर्भीकता आने लगती है. Again, it is arising above your petty self. Why do I set limits? If I have something and if I share, it's not necessarily competition, but competition भी चाहिए ना. So that's good. At the same time, I can do even better because I have been doing it for so many more years or whatever. So इस प्रकार की एक निर्भीकता भी आनी चाहिए, and in this environment which is not cruelly or mercilessly competitive, एक जोशपूर्वक competition जो है उसमें आप वो सीखोगे. लेना देना ये सारी बातें यहाँ पे आती हैं शिविरों में. धैर्य रख के करना. Most of you have taken mantra diksha. I'll remind you again of the fundas, so to say. Regularity is a must. Don't skip, because there's no reason to skip. More than 2 days, inexcusable. 3 days, you are in trouble. Somewhere you have succumbed to your own mano bas jungle. Bahar ka, ye karan, wo karan. There is no reason. You have a bath daily, yes, then you have to be doing japa. That is how I put it. Okay? स्नान करते ही जो है बस कुछ पहन लिया, सिट, डू योर जपा एंड देन टेक ऑन द वर्ल्ड, सो टू से. इतना धैर्य लाना है. देन देयर विल बी सर्टन अदर थिंग्स. ओके, देन इफ दैट फर्स्ट थ्रेशोल्ड इज क्रॉस्ड, देन जो प्राणायाम वगैरह सीखे हैं उसका भी फल मिलने लगेगा. इफ़ यू आर नॉट रेगुलर, नथिंग रियली कम्स आउट ऑफ इट. सो रेगुलरिटी इज अ मस्ट. स्टार्ट स्मॉल. रेगुलर जपा. Then bring in exercise, some exercise at least. At your age, Surya Namaskar वगैरह कर सकते हो. कल के अंकल exercises कर लेशनी. Sir, isometric, static. कल what sort? Sanjay Shetty Maman सांगिल में. Can somebody show me? Yeah, तो yeah. नहीं, एक मिनट. He is the general. यार है मु गांट था. कल सांगिल है स्टेट एंड देन जस्ट डेमो, बिकॉज आई मिस्ड आउट ऑन दिस.
The first one was plank.
Good. Don't arch your back, huh? Okay.
Superman
Was the second one.
How many seconds each? Fine. 20 seconds कितने sets हैं और repetitions कितने? You can slowly go into repetitions at least, if not sets. 2 repetitions, I mean 1 repetition, that means 2. It will really help. Okay, good. Then? Reverse, okay. Oh, excellent ones. Good.
Next one is bridge.
Bridge is fun. Let's see what happens. Acha, that on your shoulders. Okay. Good. Reverse bridge. Oh, knees straight, is it? Okay, good. That's good.
Then is wall sit.
Wall sit is excellent. All very nice.
Push up. The lowest point of the push up.
Huh? What point?
Lowest point of the push up. Hold for it.
What is lowest point? No, somebody, only one person speak. Louder, but loud. Hold it there. Static, isometric, okay. Impressed. Oof.
Then bar hang.
Not audible.
Bar hang.
I think you hold it 2 inches away from your lips.
Bar hang.
Still you get it. Bar hang. Be careful. Don't put up these gadgets in the house. They look good. The whole thing will descend. Okay? Back का क्या हुआ? As straight as possible and tucked in. Very impressive. Horse stance, very good. But please loosen up and warm up before you do all this. Huh? Very necessary. Hmm. Hmm. Take me, I'm reading. So daily, who's going to do this conducted? Or? This online session also you have planned out. It is 6:30 to 6:45 a.m. every day. Mohit and Manonmai, either of you can. I'm impressed. Let's see. Every day starting from 6th. So every 15 days or 1 month, let me get a feedback. What more can you do? शिविर में आते हो, ये करते हो, 6:30 और 6:45 के बीच में सुबह. I think all of you all can make time. If you feel you are not able to do exercise regularly, इसमें तो join this ना. Get online and start. That will be fantastic. Very nice. You can. Very good. Very nice. So understand what you have been asked to do, process it, all the activities, you have received information, you have visited places, वहाँ का स्पंदन का अनुभव हुआ है, you have interacted with your fellow yuvas, yuvatis. Each one of you will understand, gain something which is personal. So build on that, understand that. And next time we meet, you should be able to say, last shibir mein I gained this shibir mein kya. So I want to see whether you have felt the continuity also of the shibirs. Itni mehnat kar rahe hain my sanchalaks, so make the best use of it. And it's going to help you in all fields अपने जीवन में. It's not a specific course, बस उतना ही लाभ मिलेगा. It's not you come here to learn bhajans only, or you're just learning a set of exercises only. It's going to permeate your life, and you have to sense that. एक strength आना. It begins with regularity, but definitely, no doubt about it. Your mantra, बैठ के करना, and exercise. देख लीजिए. If you can bring these two elements in your life, I think you'll go a long way. आपका जो potential है, आर्ट, कला, जो भी हो है आप में, वो प्रकट होगी. Otherwise, that will also get baffled. I'm not being invoked, वो शक्ति कहेगी. इतने है, फिर वो प्रकट नहीं हो रहा, क्यों प्रकट नहीं कर रहे हो? And then wishful thinking is not going to help. So थोड़ा सा discipline लाना रहेगा. I am very happy. जिस सन्निधि में, इस मठ के परिसर में ये सारे कार्यक्रम हुए हैं, you have never been, and I think it was a fairly disciplined group. Kashi, Kutti Mam this time, it's always been like that, but I'm very happy. So you have definitely been worthy of this, and you have gained more than you can immediately sense. So if you maintain this, थोड़ी सी continuity लाएं in your japa and exercise, then you will begin to understand. It takes time. Some things, the most important, are not immediately felt. Javana, Samchus, Ruchikar is the immediate, but the subtler things, it will take you time. If you maintain the whatever brief few elements in your life, then you will understand. Something I gained now after 3 months, I'm understanding उसका क्या लाभ है करके. उस समय केवल intellectually you had understood, and now it's become a part of your life. This is the biggest advantage of these shibirs. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm very very happy. My volunteers, I'm very proud of you all. What you have done. एक बेस तैयार किया है, and you are coming up to the mark also, accepting the changes etc. So Yuvadhara also has to learn very intelligently. नई नई चीज़ें आएंगी, but understand why things have been happening the way they have. That before you make any changes, you have to understand exactly why certain rules are there. Correct? Otherwise, it's very easy. I think a better way. This is a stuntman mantati, and I don't like stuntmen around me, but they're very dangerous. Performance is okay. You give respect to what has been going on, discuss if any changes have to be made, then you'll definitely grow. Otherwise, you have created something new where there's no foundation. It'll just collapse. At least there's a base. So respect and then grow. So that is happening, and that is very difficult, but it is still happening. I'm very happy to see that एक समाज में हो रहा है, and then I think we can take on the समाज at large also. ना सही बात ना, कल है वही ना मैं. I'll be more relaxed. Otherwise, everywhere I go, it's starting from scratch sort of. It gets very boring. So if you people are there, you are learning, you are strengthening your skill set. So very swiftly this happens. As I always, I think, mention, like there's some sort of a collective consciousness. हुबड़ी में जब महाशिवरात्रि शुरू की, the first year, people were, oh, whole night. And not just गुजरात में होता है, जागरण करवू है ना, तो फिल्म जो उस समय, I think nowadays people, there are no theatres, but people even used to go to theatres and all see some movie. जागरण तो हुआ ना बस. Fun, no comments. So charyam, disciplined puja, and then intermediate sitting for japa and all. Will it be possible? The apprehensions I could sense. Second year, it was easier. Third year, nobody asked. It's sort of done. करना ही है, आए हैं तो करना ही है. First timers also didn't hesitate. That is the base, I say, that the Samaj has received. So it's swift. So a small Samaj, now it is doing so well. Wherever you go now, it will be easier to spread these very fundamental dharmach manatati, atma bala vaddauncha. Uttishtata, and the jagrana will definitely happen. But it will be preceded by Uttishta, which makes my life easier. Enjoy, plan out. Vishesh jhagada enzain itna, it doesn't generally happen. And acquaintances, good friends, but better friends also. So you'll have smaller groups. There you check out, correct? Whether have you been doing exercises? Nahi yaar, aaj nahi hua. Kal karna. That is a real friend. Oh, you also didn't do, don't tell. I also didn't do. We don't want that sort of friendship. Panapna nahi chahiye. Encourage. Be strong. Nakshatra. Nakshatra mam, next time at least take mantra diksha. धैर्य करके. This time you backed out. क्या है भाई मंत्र दीक्षा ले? Is it horrendous? Is it very difficult? आत्मबल कब बढ़ेगा? I can do it, I'll do it. Period. Job done. मेरे से होगा नहीं होगा? No. Don't let yourself down. This sort of a thing. Makes sense? बेस तो चाहिए ना अपने में भी. तब जाके वो जो आए गुरु दें तो वो रहे. तो strengthen yourself. Definitely this has helped all of you at all levels. Swachhata hai. Touch the satvikta also. Don't wallow in tamoguna and don't burst out in rajasikta. Attempt the satvikta at every level. Karte there's a poise. That feverishness goes. Competitiveness is joyous. You're doing, I want to do well, but you find your competitor floundering, you'll just lend a hand also. That sort of a thing. Possible here, don't try it in your business. But ashe korozata. So that aggressiveness goes, or you won't at least strip your competitor. अंडरस्टैंड दैट, these are very subtle things. इस वातावरण को वातावरण में ये हो सकता है, बिकॉज फाइनली फाइनल एनालिसिस इट्स द कनेक्ट विद द डिवाइन दैट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू, नथिंग एल्स. सब आया राम गया राम होता है. ये एक तत्व है, उसको मैं पहचानना चाहती हूँ, मैं पहचानना चाहता हूँ, इसीलिए मैं आया हूँ. डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. So enjoy all this. So next Shivir will be next year. I mean this year only, December now. But we'll have some smaller Shivirs also. I'm sure we'll work it out in Karla, definitely during my Chaturmas. And they are beautiful places. आओ तो वहाँ पे बहुत लाभ होगा. Vitla, etc. Correct? We'll make arrangements for you. And yes, it was truly one of the best New Year days for me also. The entire ambience there, I learned so much. पढ़ा लिखा मारना है, canopy खाए. That's the problem. You get more information, you can tie yourself into knots also. नहीं? So now I know what is canopy and I know what is coleslaw. And when somebody says cheese, नहीं कल cracker on cheese, I go doink, isn't it the other way around? क्या करें? I would have just enjoyed the upama. Not upma, upama. You're talking food. But that's so sweet. So be gentle with your intellectual prowess also, because that's going to be fine-tuned, vimarsh ityadi mein, but use it gently. Understand. Use it to awaken the understanding, not just intellectual understanding. Intelligence with a heart, not just intellect. Balance it off, and that will be demanded of you in seva. Every moment you have to make choices, you have to take decisions, there will be choices. Yes, that's life. If you don't have to, something is wrong. Either you are a total bacha, everybody else decides for you, or you have stopped living. So don't be frightened of taking decisions. Choices are stati. But at when you accept the responsibility and you understand, you will progress. That is sadhana. All my love, Gomte Kon Korea. एक भजन करचेसा पूर्ण कलामय. Really पूर्णतेचे एक अनुभव जातसा. कंच कोरिया अंदाज आहे. तू गलत खंचार असा टिंग टिंग जी शार पर असा तबलसो जी शार पर दबरला तू स्वर दी मका पूर्ण कलाम सो आहे पूर्णकलामयि संवित्स्वरूपिणी समरसशालिनी पालय माम्. पालय मां परिपालय माम्. बोधय मां प्रतिबोधय माम्. पूर्णकलामयि संवित्स्वरूपिणी समरसशालिनी पालय माम्. संयोजय चित्तम् परमलक्ष्यतन्मयतां प्रापय परमलक्ष्यतन्मयतां प्रापय पूर्णकलामयि संवित्स्वरूपिणी समरसशालिनी पालय पालय मां परिपालय मां बोधय मां प्रतिबोधय मां गुरुमूर्ते त्वां नमामि सततम् गुरुमूर्ते त्वां नमामि सततम् नमामि सततं नमामि सततं नमामि सततं नमामि सततं आत्मकाम संवर्धनि अम्ब आत्मकाम संवर्धनि अम्ब पूर्णकलामयि संवित्स्वरूपिणी समरसशालिनी पालय पालय मां परिपालय बोधय मां प्रतिबोधय बोधय मां प्रतिबोधय महादेव। एक छोटा सा काम हो गया। Take a breath, relax, then attend to the next. आत्मबल बढ़ने लगेगा, reorientation होगा. You will never get overwhelmed by the external. उस क्षण में कुछ क्षणों के लिए यदि आप बीच में बैठ के 2 या 3 बार diaphragmatic breathing करते हो, then you attend to the next, you will be fresh and you will find you are more effective in the next, whatever, it can be just a small task. Learn to create these islands of reconnecting with the Guru Shakti. कहीं पे भी कर सकते हो, फिर वो सहज होने लगेगा. That is why after the bhajan we deliberately sink into that silence. Generally I give you the avalambana of the swara, but now we der ho gayi. I just wanted to tell you this can be done not just after a bhajan. एक बात, especially if there is a strong discussion going on, you get carried away. Take time off. It's not very obvious. You're not blanking off because people will sense, hey, kya ho gaya? Why you not interested or something? One breath, one smarana, the whole situation may have changed for you. कहाँ जा रही थी गाड़ी? Senseless argument हो रहा था when a beautiful discussion was supposed to happen, and you'll bring it back online. समझ में आ रही है बात? Keeps happening. And normally what happens? This is going on. You want to make your point. You've forgotten what your point is. You've forgotten both or three of you were supposed to go together and you started clashing there. So somebody pulls back, उसको कहते हैं उपरम, एक प्रकार से उपरति. You rise above the situation, and then as an adult you can see, okay, that was still play, now I don't have to take this very seriously. Then go back to that level, and what you come up with, the ideas you get will be something unique. Don't sink, don't go down, don't go into tamogun, or don't sink into aggression in any discussion if it's amongst friends or whatever. Makes sense? So create these islands, learn. I need my time out. It doesn't have to be 1 minute, I have to say, don't make it so obvious and all, it gets irritating. One deep breath, even as you're listening, but not trying to emphasize a particular point you have been probably trying to make, which was absolutely unnecessary. Samajh mein aa rahi hai? Of course you'll understand, this keeps happening. So there's a tremendous thing you can come out of it. This is how that link, sporadic, कहीं एक कनेक्ट होता है, शिविर में आए तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, देन आफ्टर द नो, बीच बीच में भी वो कनेक्ट होते रहेगा, देन इट बिकम्स शाश्वत. एक अंडरलाइंग प्रेजेंस, सानिध्य कहते हैं, सन्निधि का अनुभव होने लगेगा. एंड ऑल दैट यू डू, द हैप्पी अनहैप्पी गुड बैड वॉट एवर, दैट इज़ मोर कॉन्स्टेंट. उसका परिचय हो गया, कनेक्टिंग टू दैट, उसका चस्का लग गया तो बेड़ा पार. प्रेम से करना, अच्छी तरह से करना, बट डू इट विद इंटेलिजेंस. You have to make the effort, and then it happens. All my love, do well, achieve also, and as you achieve, realize कहाँ से ये शक्ति आ रही है, so you can immediately offer it. You won't be burdened with that achievement. Enjoy that. सहजता से धारण करना सीखो. यश हो, खुशी हो, आनंद हो. ॐ नन्दन्तु साधकाः सर्वे, विनश्यन्तु विदूषकाः. अवस्था शाम्भवीमेस्तु, प्रसन्नोस्तु गुरुः सदा. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. ॐ नमः पार्वती पतये, हर हर महादेव.
I would now like to request the Shivirarthis to come and collect the certificates at the divine hands of Swamiji. Shrikar Molahali. Astha Bellare. Ayushi Bora. अभिनव कल्ला. आदित्य बेल्लारे. आदित्य गुलवाड़ी. अनंत पंडित. अनंत पंडित, आदित्य पंडित, आदित्य गुलवाड़ी, सॉरी, अनंत पंडित, आर्या बेटर बेट, अथर्व उद्यावर, भूमा बोरा, देवांश भट्ट, ध्रुतिमान पड़बिद्री, दिव्या रामदेव, गौरव कारकल, गिरीश पंडित, गोपाल बैंदुर, जयेश कागल, कृत्य सुधा व्यास, मनोन्मयी पड़बिद्री, नक्षत्र सारस्वत, नमिता बैंदुर, नेहा शिराली, निष्ठा नाइमपल्ली, Nivedita Baindur, Pratik Murdeshwar, Puru Saraswat, Sanika Kodial, Shalmali Mankikar, Shriram Haridas, Tanmay Kumble, Tarun Kapnadak, Ved Hatangdi, Ved Shirur, Veda Kailaje, Anuradha Ganguly.
स्वामीजी थोडे शिबिरार्थीचे वगी भायर सरलेले आसले तांगेले सर्टिफिकेट्स दिया मल्लापुर, कार्तिक शुक्ला, प्रथमेश अंबेंबल, साहिल गांटने, साहिल गटने, शिवरंजनी सिंह, श्वेता मंजेश्वर इर्दे।